Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about mine and my wife's business, Factory 633. So we are going to be a wedding venue, and a lot of people ask us, why do you guys want to do this? Why do you want to build a wedding venue? And the reason why is because we live to enhance the lives of other people. And so in this instance, how we're going to do that, how we're going to do it in this way is we're going to build a wedding venue. All right, and the lives that we want to enhance are those of brides and grooms who come there and do weddings. Anyone who wants to do a special event, any events we can do for the community, we can provide something for the community, whether it's swing dancing, whether it's an escape room or something, um, a concert, any sort of thing. That's what we want to provide. We want to create jobs for people, so caterers, photographers, florists, salon people, hairstylists, seamstress, anything like that. That's what our goal is to do as well. Something that we think is going to set ourselves apart is when bride and grooms come to us and they decide to use our venue, we're actually going to give them resources for their marriage. Because my wife and I love marriage, and we want to not just help them right then, like, hey, thanks for your money, we'll help you this day of marriage. No, we want to give you something that will prolong your marriage, make it last, because we really care that not that you just have your wedding day with us and we get your money. We care that you stay married and love your spouse. Clearly, another reason why we're doing it is because this little guy right here, we would leave him something. And so, with our investors down the road, we also want to be able to provide them something for their kids. That's a big part of why we're doing this whole thing, is to enhance the lives of them and their kids. Hey, buddy. So the final question is, what are we going to do to make these things happen? We're building a 9,000 square foot building. It's going to be very unique. We have 15 acres of land. We are working towards building it to be just built for a wedding venue, for events. And so, unlike a lot of places here locally, they're refurbished or redone from something else. And so we actually want to be specifically made to be a perfect space for events, to be very secluded, to give you privacy, to be very friendly to elderly people or to the disabled. Our goal is to be the premier spot in Rocky Mount. There's about 60,000 people who live in Rocky Mount, slightly under that, and that's just including Rocky Mount. That's not the surrounding areas. And so we think that we can tap into that market because there's really only about 5 or 6 legitimate wedding venues, and then there's a few small ones. But we think if we really come in strong, do a lot of marketing, that we can really take over this market. So we're going to take a look at our building. We got some drawings of it. So as we take a look at our venue here, we're just going to see, first of all, the colors on the outside right now. We're working on that. A lot of it's just we're having our project manager really break it down, tell us what products will look good. They're going to use an architect to show us what it actually will look like, because at this size of a building, we're really not 100% sure what the entire look will be. But the inside, as we're going to take a look at the next photo, you see that you have your entryway, you got a front foyer area, it's about 1,500 square feet. Then there's a little loft on top. Underneath that, you have your groom suite, you have your bathrooms, you have a hallway that leads to the main area, and you have your kitchen, and the kitchen can lead out both sides, so that way no one ever has to deal with the caterer. There's also a door on this side of the building, the front side here that you can see, that actually the caterers park next to, and that way the caterers never have to really get in the way of the entire wedding. And then you have your main area. It's about 4,200 square feet, and it's going to be all white inside there with some black metal, and we're going to have some brick some places and some wood to kind of give different textures that photographers really like. And then you have another loft up top. Underneath that is a little warehouse area where the tables and chairs will be, and so it'll give easy access for us who are working to flow in and out, and then easy flow for the caterers to take trash out the back. But also the bridal suite's right there. You see the high roof and the top of that loft. That's a bridal suite, and so the bride can come right out of there straight into her wedding if she wants to have her wedding there. There's also a patio outside with windows we can go out and hang out. So there's plenty of place for whenever you have the wedding there where you can flow out of and do whatever it is that whenever your waiting time in between. And we just feel like the flow of this fits the usage extremely well. So it really fits what you're going to do with a wedding, any sort of event. If you have downtime in between, if you're doing a show or a concert, we just think that this really is a perfect setup for the perfect day. Final thing, just to rent our entire space costs $5,000, and so that might sound like a lot, but typically most venues rent for about $3,500, and then they charge you another $2,000 on top of that for chairs and tables and everything like that. So we're actually gonna, with our $5,000, include all that stuff. That way you really know what you're paying for. There's not all these added-on fees. We really want to be very transparent, be very trusting to our people. And so we think that providing all this stuff really does them a large favor, and that way they can actually budget ahead of time and not get uh, distracted with all the little prices, and then it just slaps them in the face later on. So it costs $5,000.
So now I've kind of walked through it. I hope you guys like what you see. If you want to come to a wedding with us in a while, whenever we get this thing built, let us know. If you want to invest with us, also let us know. We can discuss what the terms are, break down what all investment the expense is for you to invest, but what you would get back from it all. And so we hope to really be able to enhance the lives of those around us. It's not just going to be a wedding venue for us. Once we build this, it's going to be another thing and another thing. But this is just our starting block. This is where we want to kick off, really enhancing the lives. Because my wife and I, we love marriage, and we love to help people have wonderful marriages. That's our goal. And so do you just think this is one way that we can really enhance the lives of married couples, of anyone who needs a job in that who needs to be able to start their own business. And so we want to encourage people to be wonderfully married.